Hi friend, please subscribe my channel. Dell XPS 27 to 7760 27 all-in-one desktop PC, 27 4K UHD display, Intel Core i7-6700 3.4 GHz, 16 GB DDR4-2133 RAM 2 TB HDD, AMD R9M470X 4 GB GDDR5, Windows 10 Home, certified refurbished. This certified refurbished product is tested and certified to look and work like new. The refurbishing process includes functionality testing, basic cleaning, inspection, and repackaging. The product ships with all relevant accessories, a minimum 90-day warranty, and may arrive in a generic box. Only select sellers who maintain a high-performance bar may offer certified refurbished products on Amazon.com. Intel Core i7-6700 processor 3.4 GHz, 16 GB DDR4-2133 RAM, 2 TB HDD SATA, 27 4K UHD display, 3840x2160, Microsoft Windows 10 Home, 64-bit.